Want to remove the background from your video? Here's how to do it with Adobe Premiere Rush. First, open your project in Adobe Premiere Rush and select the video you want to edit. Next, apply the Ultra Key effect from the Effects panel and select the background color you want to remove. Adjust the settings to clean up any remaining background areas and fine-tune the removal. Let me know in the comments if you have removed the background successfully. Now your video looks amazing with no background. Add new backgrounds or leave it transparent. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.